It's your girl Beauty with Mika. So I am doing a quick unboxing. This is the Personal Chiller LED lighted mini fridge. It's specifically for your vanity, your bathroom, your bedroom, your nursery, and it's perfect for skincare and beauty products. So this one is specifically for like your skincare and stuff like that. Also, if you're a mom, the cool thing is my husband was able to purchase this for me from Walmart for $29. Now, I blame Candace Makeup. I will post her IG stories down below. This does have a chill and warm switch, so I'm just gonna unbox this. As you guys know, I have the blue fridge. I'm still gonna keep that. We're actually gonna use it for like sodas and whatnot in our bedroom, and specifically what it's for. So that'll be good. So my husband still wants to keep that one. So now, because this one is definitely, it's a little bit bigger, it has the LED light on the front and everything, I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what it looks like and show you guys how I reset up my area. Hope you guys enjoy this video. All the links to Candace's channel and where you could purchase this will be down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye. So this is what the vanity now looks like. This does lean out some off the vanity, only because of the cord and because I don't want to turn it a certain way. I just want it to face this way, because I could do it at like an angle and it'll give me some space right here off the cord, because the cord does hang off in the back. So I could do something like that, but then of course, you know, aesthetics, I would have to do all that. I mean, it's good either way. So I could do it off at an angle, or I could do it right here. When my husband gets home, I'll have him take a look at it, because the cord is like back here, and the way it just needs to be plugged in, it's better that way. So it's aesthetically pleasing to me. It is very pretty. It is huge, so you see that it's larger than my other one, but I do like with this one, it was pretty much the same price as we paid for the other one. I do like that you get the large LED mirror on here, so I can go like this and I get a mirror when I'm doing my skincare, and I can also turn it off. You can use this also portable, so I have the portable charger right here, so I can always put this in the car, but I don't think anybody would do that. You can also change the different shelving, so this one can be a little bit lower right here if I wanted to, where if I want to do like sheet mask up here and do swap out. I also felt like I was missing more space from the other one, and I didn't have this door. So right here on the door I put some eye mask. I went back and pulled out like some serums and things that I wanted to use, but I prefer them like maybe a little bit cold or something. I have tons of my mask in here, and so a lot of the masks, the other refrigerator was actually unplugged, so a lot of these are still room temperature, but these are a lot of like my Rose hydrating mask, my Laneige sleeping mask, my eye creams, different things that I know I want in the refrigerator for cold purposes. I like that, so I did fill out a lot more stuff. I'm not really doing a lot of sheet masks lately. I'm really thinking about just not using sheet masks because I feel like a lot of the masks that I have work just as good. But yeah, this is super huge for the price. It was $29. So Candace did post on her IG, and my husband was like, you know what, I'll just buy you one, because he really wanted that refrigerator. So he got what he wanted, I got what I wanted. I still have my makeup brushes up here. If you guys watch my Shop My Stash, this is where I pick out my makeup brushes. They are clean. I clean my makeup brushes at the end of every week when I'm done with my makeup for the week, or I know like I'm not gonna be wearing makeup anytime the rest of the week. This is a little small little cactus or plant. It's a faux plant. I got it at Pure One for less than $5. And then you guys know Bridget's butter. I'll post a link to her if you guys are definitely looking for some homemade shea butter. So yeah, and then of course my eyeshadow, individual eyeshadow palette, eyeshadows from Color Rain. I'll post a link to that if you haven't seen me organize my eyeshadows. I think it's like 160 individual shadows. But yeah, that is it. Something short, sweet. I know you guys love to see unboxings and see what new stuff I got, and you guys know I'm always trying to cost save and definitely make it look aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, it's my vanity. I love that it's white. I wanted something white because when we move, I will be having some whites and golds and different things in my new office space. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a very blessed holiday, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.